Annyeonghaseyo! Magandang araw po sa lahat. Hi everyone, I'm back. I just wanna show you guys the love of my life. Char, it's a joke. Actually, I just want to share to everyone sa lahat po ng mga nahihilig po na manood ng K-drama kagaya ko. So, ang dami ko po, at madami din po ako napanood na magaganda, lalo na po ng circuit breaker. So, walang work, 2 months na walang work, so walang magawa. So, wala lang, nanood lang ako. So, marami ako napanood na magaganda. So, I just wanted to share. So, sa mga nakanood na po, yay! Pero dun sa hindi pa po nakapanood, kung gusto nyo po, panoorin nyo. Ganda. So, for me kasi, I'm more on comedies with mix of a little bit of action, a little bit of romance, and a little bit of drama, and more on comedies. I like to laugh, so more on laughing. So, hindi po ako nanonood ng more on dramas talaga. So, yun. I like Lee Dang-wook a lot. Actually, lahat naman sila magagaling at saka mga gwapo. Pero, I found Lee Dang-wook more gwapo, tsaka siguro mas attractive or mas masculine siyang tingnan. So, I love Lee Dang-wook. And yeah, so I'm gonna share with you guys the my compilation of K-drama that I watch. So I rate it from 10 to 1. So stay tuned.
Of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try to fix it. Love, I wanna be strong, we're doing wrong.
Okay, so ayan, yan po silang lahat. So from 10 to 1, yan po yung magagandang napanood ko for me, for myself. So hindi ko lang po alam sa inyo, kung gusto niyo panoorin niyo po, search nyo lang po para mapanood niyo. So thank you for watching and enjoy. Bye bye.